Hey kitties, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and please don't forget to subscribe because I kind of like that. Yeah. Alright, so today is all about brushes, cleaning my brushes, and kind of going over some of my favorite brushes that are affordable. So I'm going to be putting you on to what get my brushes very clean. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I use the Neutrogena facial bar. I don't know if if anybody else does this. Maybe this is a hack on my end. Maybe I'm putting you on. I don't know. Let me know. But this is very inexpensive. The box comes with 3 bars in it, and when I tell you it gets my brushes clean, even white brushes, beauty sponges, just check it out. So this is one of my favorite brushes for foundation. It is the Kabuki Brush Duo, and it's by Shop Miss A, and it's called Duo because it comes with a smaller version. It blends makeup so good. As far as foundation, it blends it so well. I have multiple brushes like this. Again, this is from Shop Miss A. I'll make sure I link it below so you guys can check it out. And I just want you to take a look at this, okay? I'm not going to speed this part of it up because I want you to see what it takes to actually get the brush clean. And then later on, I would speed it up. But just take a look. I'll be back. Take a look.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby. I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, now this is the F19 Highlighter Brush, also from Shop Miss A. Did I mention these brushes are $1 and I've had them for a couple years and they still look this good? But this particular brush is so excellent for blending concealer under the eyes, setting the concealer under the eyes, applying highlight to your cheek, like powder, shimmery highlight. It's a bomb brush. I love it. I think I have about 4 or 5 of them because they're $1 from Shop Miss A. Like, hello.
I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out.
Okay, now this is another flat top brush. Those are my favorite to blend foundation. Now this is from a brush set that I had for one of my makeup classes a couple of years ago, so I don't know. There's no real name. It's just like an Amazon brush. But the flat top kabuki type brushes are excellent for blending foundation. Flawless. It gives you high coverage because the brush has so many bristles and it's very dense. So if you're looking for a foundation brush, I would suggest one with a flat top. You can go right to Shop Miss A. Those are $1 and they're high quality. Instead of paying like, those $40 MAC brushes is not for me. It's not. It's a no for me.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak it on me.
Guys, so these are the mini versions of the previous kabuki brush that I told you came in a duo. This is a smaller version of it, and it's still $1, I believe, even though it's a duo. Again, I'll link it below so you can check it out. Now, when you're washing makeup brushes, I do try my hardest not to submerge the brush into water. Like I just, hold the handle and just scrub it around and just kind of wipe off the handles of the brush, but try not to submerge it because it is wood. So the sticks are wood, so it'll kind of dismantle the brush itself or loosen the glue. So definitely keep that in mind when you are washing your brushes. Okay, Katie, so I'm going to speed it up and just enjoy the music. I'm going to be back when it's time to wash the beauty sponge, because I really need you to see this, because if you use beauty sponges, then you know how dingy they can look after using them, especially if you have darker skin like myself. The makeup is darker, so it just looks, you know, more dingy on the sponge. So when I get back, we're going to talk about that.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on the you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on the you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you looky lost, I know you got them feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it till you tense, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I got a crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that shit ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by my
Now look at this beauty blender, or it's not a beauty, it's a Real Technique sponge. But do you see the makeup in it? I'm gonna lather this thing up and I'm gonna squeeze all this makeup out, and you're gonna see that it's gonna be practically brand new. And I've had that sponge for a long time, longer than I probably should, just to be honest, okay?
I just can't stop thinking about you.
How satisfying. This is a relaxing video for me. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but it makes me feel relaxed, and I feel so good to have such clean brushes and tools ready to do some more makeup.
When you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying.
Okay, now the video is almost at the end, so you're going to be seeing me just rinsing the soap out of the brushes, and you have to make sure you rinse it very well so there's no residue in the brush. But do you see how white those bristles are? Those are some Morphe brushes, and they came in like an old brush set, so I wouldn't even be able to tell you what they're called. But I love using this soap to clean my brushes. Look at that. Look at the bristles. They're white. They're white. Oh, and this brush, guys, you should check it out as well. I use it for foundation. It comes as a duo, and the duos are $2. I'm not sure if I think I said they were $1, but they're $2. This is the F8 and E108 precise pointed brush, perfect for blending foundation, especially if you're in a rush. So definitely check that out. I'll link it. I'm going to be linking about 4 or 5 brushes, but definitely check out the other brushes because they're so affordable and it's high quality. Like I said, I've had my brushes for years, okay? And they still look great.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No.
You see my babies? They're just so clean. Doesn't it feel good to have clean brushes? We all, like I said, I hate and I dread washing them, but it's clean. Look how cute and clean. They smell good. Look at them. I'm just so proud of my brushes. I recently downsized. I had so many brushes because, I don't know if you guys know, but I was a freelance makeup artist. So I had so many brushes and I got rid of some because it'll just make me take longer to wash them because I just had so many. So I downsized, kept my favorite, and just got rid of the other ones because they were old anyway. Look at the sponge. Does that not look brand new? Stop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If I put you on, let me know. If you're going to try this, let me know. Later, kitties.
This time